Namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day or a night whenever you watch. Okay, so if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and support, guys. Means a lot to me. In the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading topic is what is spirit planning for your path ahead. We will get the guidance also from spirit. Okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless reading also, so whenever you watch, there might be a message for you. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, let go of all the worries, relax. Okay, so just take a deep breath and just let all that tension out, and then choose a card that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, we have this house. For group number 2, we have this footprints, and then we have this one, apples, for group number 3. So close your eyes, relax, and then connect with your intuition, and then select. Okay, and the timestamps will be listed in the description box below, so watch accordingly. I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you have chosen this house, let's see what is spirit planning for you guys, for your path ahead. And we have the rune of Evas, and with this rune, what I'm getting for you guys is like transformation, spiritual transformation is there. So there is some ending happening, because I feel like Evas rune is like associated with the death card in tarot, and death card is all about ending, like something is ending in your life and there's a new start for you guys. Maybe for some of you it's like moving out. You are going to move out from a home that was not so good for you guys. Maybe there were people where you didn't feel secure with them, so you're moving to a place where you will be feeling very secure, right? So it's like for some of you, I'm even getting like you're moving to a bigger home, a more safer home. That's what I'm getting with this home, like more security, stability is coming your way. Spirit is helping you with that. Maybe for some of you actually want to move homes, you're looking for a good home, right? So I feel like that's going to happen. And maybe you don't want to live with someone, right? You are planning to move away from this person, so that's going to happen here. So definitely I'm also seeing that you're moving forwards, like you're not into this materialistic thing. You're like letting go of that materialistic things. I feel like you're going to do something that makes your heart happy. That is something I'm getting here. Spiritual progress for you guys. Like sometimes we it's okay to have money, it's okay, but sometimes what happens is we stress about money. So I feel like you're letting go of the stress also regarding money, or spirit is telling you to let go of the stress regarding money, because you are going to be safe, you're going to be stable. Okay, so definitely there is an end, there is a change coming for you guys. I'm getting house because you have chosen a house, and I'm getting this house related change. Security, something related to your security, stability is changing for you guys. You're moving to a bigger house, or you're moving to a place where you feel secure. Moving with someone who makes you feel like you're protected. Maybe you're moving alone, where you will be like, I'm protected, I'm alone, I'm protected. That kind of energy I'm getting. Or maybe you will have a space for yourself, where maybe it's an office space you wanted always. You might be having that. Spirit is helping with you that. So definitely a good place to live, where you will be feeling secure and happy. Okay, so that's the thing. Or maybe for some of you it's like someone is moving out of your house, and you are happy. Yeah, I'm getting like that. Maybe for some of you it's like someone is going out and you're happy. Now you feel safe in your home. So that's also something I'm getting here. So definitely there is more stability. That is, spirit is planning for you guys. Security. If you are going to feel secure, like you're going to be very confident about yourself. So things are, a lot of things have ended, okay, for you guys. There is a phase. I feel this is a new cycle for you guys. Things are ending, a new beginning is happening for you guys. There is a transformation. This was very emotional transformation for some of you. I even feel like you have gone through a major spiritual awakening, right, where your perception have shifted. You know, you were, for some of you, I even feel like that you were living in this house, giving your best. You know, there were energy vampires around you who was taking your energy, and you were giving and giving and giving, and you were draining yourself. Right now, what I feel like, through the spiritual awakening, you're learning that you don't have to give that much. You know, you're giving people your energy, and it's okay not to give. So that's why I feel like you're making a major shift in your life. Maybe for some of you have plans moving out of a house, and you're planning that, or maybe you want to. So I feel like if you have the desire, keep the desire, be positive about it, because I feel like there is a shift in home, to a secure place you're moving, okay. Or maybe for some of you, you want to move to a different country, you're trying that is also going to happen. So definitely there is movement for you guys, where you're moving. You have learned a lot of lessons, you have grown spiritually. Now you're ready to move forward with your life. Like, you're very fearless now. You're not afraid of other people, what others think. You're not afraid of that. You're taking for some of you, I feel like you're going to take a bold step, and spirit will help you with that, okay. Like a very bold step I'm getting, like quitting a job, moving to a different job. You're not going to, if people disrespect you, you are not going to stay there. You're going to stay somewhere where you're respected, where you're safe, where you feel secure, okay. That's where you're going here, and spirit is helping with you. With, you know, it can be anything, right? So you're going to live with the people who make you feel secure, where you feel like, yeah, I'm protected, I can stay with them, I can sleep with them. Like, you know, in the same house you're staying, and when you don't feel protected, that's very it's not so good, right? So you're going to be in a place where you can sleep without worrying. So that's something I'm getting here for you guys. So let's start your reading with Keepers of the Light Oracle cards. So let's see what is spirit planning for you guys, for your path ahead. So a lot of divine intervention is also I'm getting. So if something doesn't happen the way you want, don't get sad or don't get disappointed, because it will be a blessing for you guys in disguise, okay. Spirit is with you. There is a major huge transformation coming for you guys, I'm sure about it. A spiritual awakening, for some of you it can be a perception shift, limited belief shit, you're letting go of limited beliefs, ego, like you're letting go of your ego. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. And for some of you have been giving a lot, now you're like, no, why I'm giving this much when I'm not getting anything. Maybe it's a job where you're giving so much, where you're working hard, and in return you're not being paid well. So you're like ready to quit the job, move forward, okay. That's something I'm getting here. Oh wow, we have Lady Venus downloads and understanding. So spirit is with you. Spirit is giving you a lot of messages. They're showing you a lot of signs. Maybe you're seeing a lot of numbers. In your dream time also, spirit is showing you a lot of messages. Maybe for some of you have been seeing buildings, or maybe I'm seeing someone saw like your something is like demolished, like the building is like it's demolished, like it's falling apart. It's like I'm getting like spirit is saying if something, you know, when the foundation is not strong, it will fall apart. So if you have built something, if a relationship where the foundation is not strong, it will go away, and that will be for your best, okay. You're going to get something that is like built on a very good foundation, a relationship where the roots are very stronger, right? So yeah, that's where you're going. So you can expect a lot of changes, you might be letting go of a lot of people, a lot of friends, maybe you are already doing it. A lot of thoughts, a lot of how you think about yourself, that can be a major shift for some of you. Like the way you used to think about yourself is going to transform. The way your thoughts are going to transform. Like maybe you used to think in lack all the time, like you had this victim mentality. Finally you're like out of that, you're not thinking like that. So there is like major shift in your belief system. That's something I'm getting here, okay, because you're making a connection with spirit. I feel like in the past there was no connection, because you were with that kind of people who used to put you down, and you thought that you were not worthy. Sometimes that happens, and It's a major problem, and I feel like that you are understanding that, you're becoming aware of it, and you are letting go of them, you're forgiving yourself, you're forgiving others, you're moving forward, and spirit is giving you a lot of messages. So a lot of clarity, expect a lot of clarity. Spirit is telling you that he will give you like messages, he will give you a lot of clarity. That sun is going to shine. Like when the clouds are there, we cannot see clearly, right? So when the sun comes, we can see clearly. So for you guys also, you are going to see very, very clearly about things through your dreams. So take note of your dreams, because at the dream time, I feel like there will be a lot of downloads happening for you guys. Or maybe you're doing a work, like you love cooking and you're not thinking about anything, you're just focused on your cooking. That time maybe you will receive a message. Write down that intuitive messages. Maybe some days you will feel very bad and you will not know why you're feeling bad, and I feel like that, you know, for some of you, when you feel bad, you know that something is happening, going to happen, and so take note of that messages also. Okay, yeah, I'm getting like you will feel it if something bad is going to happen. I'm getting like that, you know, for some of you. So listen to your intuition, guys. Listen to your intuition, because spirit is helping you with that. So whenever you make a decision, also listen to your intuition, how you feel about it. That's very important. Okay. Truth has been revealed, deep insights are coming from heaven and the astral realm. So definitely a lot of truth. Like for some of you, it's like why things happened in the past, you're going to understand it now. Okay, so a lot of things about your past are going to be clear. So maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you were being told that you are in the wrong, and now you're understanding that you were not wrong. It were them, you know, it's because of them. They made you feel like that you're wrong, but you're not. So I feel like that you're going to take stand, you know, you will take stand for yourself. Maybe you haven't done that. I'm getting that you will be speaking for yourself, you will be protecting yourself, and spirit is here to protect yourself. You know, he's giving you messages at the correct time. So just listen to that intuitive messages, write down that intuitive messages. Okay, your feeling is very important. So if you feel off, trust that. Okay, so that's very important, because you're getting a lot of downloads, you're getting a lot of understanding, and that because of it, your perception about life is changing. A lot of knowledge you're accumulating, I'm getting. Okay, so like a lot of knowledge, you're understanding, you're seeing life from a different perspective. I feel like this transformation is more internal, I'm getting for you guys. And when our internal shifts, that is when our external shifts, right? So I feel like this is more on basis of internal level. You're changing from inside, you know, you're changing your belief system, you're letting go of your ego, you're understanding yourself, you're making a connection with yourself. That is something I'm getting here. And when we make a connection with ourselves, spirit is, you know, then things move forward, right? So that's when our internal changes, our external changes, right? So that's what I'm seeing for you guys. You're doing the inner work, you're in you're healing. I'm getting you're healing, you're up for a major change. A major change is happening, and it can be internal change, and because your internal is shifting, that's why you will see the change in your external world also. So it can be that because your internal is shifting, so the place where you felt that you're not secure, you will be feeling secure there also, because your internal is changing. So something like that I'm getting here. But definitely take note of the intuitive messages, write it down. And if you are getting a lot of creative ideas, work on that ideas. Creative solutions will be given to you guys. So spirit is with you, helping you, guiding you, showing you signs. Maybe you're seeing a lot of numbers, a lot of animals. I'm getting that. So take note of that. Okay, that's the message for you guys. So let's see what the tarot has to say. Let's get deeper. Let's dig deeper. Let's see for you guys what is spirit helping you with. What is spirit planning for you guys for your path ahead? What is spirit planning for you guys for your path ahead? I saw number 5. Like in my mind's eye, I saw number 5. So a lot of changes. Expect a lot of changes if you're going through a very challenging period. it will be over and you will have a major change, a major breakthrough. That is something I felt. Okay, and we have 2 of Pentacles here, and yes, look, we have this 8 of Swords energy. You don't know how to balance things. So for some of you are stressing a lot, you know, your physical and you know, outer and internal balance is, it's like imbalanced, I feel like, because of your stress. That is what you need to let go of, and this is where spirit is helping with you with. Maybe the spirit will give you messages, you know, listen to those messages, trust those messages, have faith in yourself. Okay, with this 2 of Pentacles, I feel like there is like a little bit imbalance that is happening for you guys because of your stress, because you stress a lot, because you feel insecure in yourself. Maybe it's about your body you feel insecure, maybe it's about other person you feel insecure, or maybe you're empaths also. Some of you, I feel like you're empaths and you take other people's energy. So protect yourself, ground yourself, meditate guys, chant, do chanting, and that's what spirit is saying. So you need to balance yourself, you need to balance I feel like your mind and heart, you need to make a balance between them. Okay, and that is only possible through like meditation or connecting with nature or prayers. You know, if it's possible, pray. It will give you a lot of good energy. I feel like you worry a lot. If something doesn't, you know, you worry, when you wake up you worry a lot. Maybe you're in a place where you wake up and because of there are other people, you worry a lot. So maybe it's time to change that, like to feel secure in yourself. Like meditating, journaling will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, and if you feel very stressed, if you don't know what to do, maybe you need to consult someone, because you know this person's hand is like tied and it's blindfolded, but they can walk away from it, isn't it? You know, their legs are not tied, so you can walk away from the situation. So it's like it's something very internal. You're stressing a lot. Maybe for some of you it's a message from spirit, like you're stressing a lot, like overthinking a lot, you're making up scenarios. You need to let that go. Okay, spirit is helping you with that because they're giving you messages. So you need to relax, guys. Okay, so what is spirit helping you with? What is spirit planning for you guys? And for some of you, I feel like you're going to let go of this stressful energy. You're letting go of your stress and replacing it with your faith. So that's something I'm getting here. And I'm very attracted to the ships, right? So I feel like for some of you, yeah, there is a move coming your way. You're moving. If you're living in a place where you're feeling insecure, you're going to move to a place where you feel secure. It can be a state of mind also, right? Yeah, Judgment. Spirit is with you. Angels are with you. They're guiding you. They're showing you direction. So definitely there is a change in direction. There is a rebirth for you guys. I'm getting like you're letting go of this stress. Like with this death card, you know, with this death, you know, Rune is talking about, Evaz is talking about death card in tarot. It's like death is like endings and new beginnings, right? And look, we have this coffin also. They are getting out of this coffin. They are getting a new chance, a new rebirth. So yeah, spirit is giving you a new direction. Spirit is showing you a new path. So yeah, so for some of you, you might get a new job, like a better job from the last one. So be confident and take that. Okay, for some of you, you might have problem confronting people. You feel like, oh my god, they have helped me a lot, how can I change jobs? Don't feel like that. You know, do what is best for you guys. That's something a spirit is saying. Do what is best for you guys right now. That is what you need to understand. Okay, your prayers are coming true. I feel like you have been praying for something, and we have this downloads, Lady Venus, and we have this angel also. So definitely there is a guardian angel who is protecting you, who is guiding you. So be clear with your intention, write your intention down. And the thing that you need to work on right now is like your stress levels. Okay, you need to work on it. Maybe listening to good music, dancing, or you know, if you have a friend you can connect with them. Okay, or talk to your angels. That will help you a lot. Write it down, journal. Okay, and definitely it's a new birth for you guys. It's a transformation. For some of you, as I told you, it can be a change of your state of mind. You know, the way you used to think about yourself is not, it's changing. The way you think now about yourself is big. Like you're feeling worthy, you're feeling good about yourself. So I'm getting like you're letting go of that victim mentality also. For some of you, I'm getting that you're letting go of that, and this is a new life for you guys. So like a new rebirth for you guys, and what you have been praying for is coming true, like the change in direction. Maybe you just wanted to move out of this house. Now you're moving to a good house, like a better house. It's a new start for you guys. So angels are with you. They're giving, I feel like, in your dream state, you're getting a lot of messages. They're warning you. They're giving you messages through your intuition. So trust that. Okay, Spirit, I feel like Spirit gives you a lot of messages. But sometimes you, look, we have this blind eye. She's covering, the eyes she cannot see, right? So maybe for some of you, it's also a message that Spirit is giving you a lot of messages, but you don't trust it. Or you feel like, oh, this message is not for me, this is just a coincidence. Maybe you just let it go like that. So don't do that. Okay, I'm getting like a lot of messages. Maybe you're seeing 555. Okay, a lot of 555. I'm getting 5 number very strongly for you guys. Okay, so let's see. Definitely there are changes coming your way, so don't be afraid of the changes, because these changes will lead to your better place. Okay, that is something. So you're going to have a better place to stay. Your mind, your mental health will be in a better place, and that is what Spirit is helping you with. The imbalance is you're going to be more balanced. Okay, that is what Spirit is helping you with. It's like, you're just scrolling through Instagram and you see a post from a therapist, like a phone number. Like maybe Spirit is, it can be like that also, right? I'm just giving you an example, right? You're scrolling and you get this number of therapist or this person you contact, and things change for you guys. Like this person might help you with your problems, right? So like that I'm getting for some of you. It's just an example. So let's see what else. Look, High Priestess again. Lot of understanding. You need to trust your intuition, guys, with this High Priestess. And I feel like, maybe for some of you, you are asking for answers and you're not getting it because it's not the right time. Okay, so for some of you, if you're asking questions, if you're meditating on something and you are not getting the answers, you're like, why Spirit is not giving me the answer? Because it's not the correct time yet. Okay, the things will be revealed at the correct time for you guys. So don't be impatient right now. So when the correct time comes, you will receive the message that Spirit is telling you. Okay, you're going to move forward at the correct time. And I feel like there will be, for some of you, I even feel like that you will feel, oh my God, why is this happening? But when things go wrong, we feel like, why this is happening? But for you guys, it's like because it will be a blessing in disguise. Later you will know that happened and it's for your good. Okay, so something like that I'm getting. And don't be afraid, everything will be revealed to you guys. The truth will be revealed. You will have your answers, but at the correct time. Okay, don't force things. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. Don't force anything. Spirit is helping you with, everything will happen at the correct time. You will get the answers at the correct time. So don't worry. Your intuition is very, 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 very strong, and Spirit is giving you messages through your intuition. So trust that. I feel like your crown chakra is open. You're receiving a lot of messages, and when a crown chakra is open, that is also like when it's I feel like it's activated. So you need to balance that also. Maybe you need to work on your crown chakra also. Okay, but a lot of secrets are going to be revealed, and I feel like you are making spiritual progress. I'm getting for you guys. You're letting go of that materialistic world. I'm feeling that also. You want to have a secure place. You don't want to have a big home. I'm getting like that. You want a secure place, and that is what you're manifesting, I feel like. And that is where Spirit is helping you with a secure, like a place where you can work without worrying. Like you're going to work in a place where you can give your 100% and you don't have to worry about anything, right? That is the energy I'm getting. So in a place where you live, even though the place is small or whatever it is, you want to feel secure there, and you will feel secure. You're going to that place. You're letting go of I feel like Spirit is helping you with your anxiety, with your stress, with your overthinking, and they're giving you very, very positive information. So but just open your eyes, okay? See the messages and be start your day with gratitude, guys. Okay, trust your feelings. So yeah, Yeah, it's time to walk away from something. We have 8 number twice, right? Yeah, we have this devil at the back of the deck. So for some of you, it's like you need to walk away from some of your own habits that are not good for you guys. Maybe there is an addiction that is not good for you guys. This is a pattern, thinking pattern. You know, devil is like our mind becomes sometimes our devil. So you're overthinking, and that's why you're not seeing the positive. Sometimes we get too much into the negative, and that's where you need to make the change. Use positive affirmations. I'm getting like when you wake up, give gratitude to the divine, and that is how you can walk away from these things. Or maybe you can consult a therapist or a friend who you can talk to. Okay, but I'm feeling like spirit is helping you with this. Spirit is helping you to move away from the stress, move away from a home where you are not feeling secure, move away from a job where you're not feeling secure. It's like a new change, new direction that is spirit giving for you guys. So it's like you're walking away from someone who is toxic, right? So that's also I'm getting, yes, walking away from some friends who are toxic to you guys, walking away from some of your habits that are toxic for you guys. So spirit is helping you with that in your path ahead. Okay, because when we have this negative attitude, we don't enjoy life, right? So I feel like this is where spirit is helping you. They're giving you a lot of messages, they're giving you a lot of positive vibes, and I feel like it's that your angels are around you, they're guiding you, they're giving messages. But when the time is right, then only that time only you will able to know it. You know, you will get your answers. Like for example, like you will be meditating, you know, for example, if, it's just an example, guys. Okay, so you're just trying to seek some answers, you're meditating, you're not getting answers, you're getting frustrated, you're getting into this negative attitude, and then you let go of that, and when you're showering, you will get that clarity. Like when you least expect it, that is when you will get the clarity. Because when we least expect it, that is the time when we are letting go, we are not feeling too stressed, and at that time spirit will give you the messages. Okay, and you will get clarity. Truth is coming out, you will get clarity about your situation. You're walking away from stress, you're walking away from fear, you're walking in a new direction, you're walking into a secure home, secure place, secure job, secure friends. That is what security, that is what spirit is helping you with. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. So let's see what else the message for you guys. Support, yes, interesting. Look, support. So you are going to meet the people who will support you for who you are. Look, we have the back of the deck, we have the rainbows also, and rainbows comes after the rain, right? So you have so yeah, after all that rain, you're seeing the rainbows. After all that that problems, you're seeing the rainbows, you're seeing the light. And definitely first is, I have to say that spirit is with you, supporting you, guiding you. Definitely there is divine intervention happening for you guys. Spirit is giving you the answers, giving you the clarity, and he's making you understand that you are not the problem. Sometimes we feel like that we are the problem, and spirit is helping you with. And I'm even getting that you're moving away from someone who is not for your highest good. You're moving you're moving towards the people who will support you, who will help you in this journey. Okay, I'm getting a support system, maybe a community where you will be supported. That is also I'm getting, right? Or it can be a therapist or a counselor who will support you, or a friend who will support you, right? So yeah, there's a lot of support also. So let's go for the charms. Okay, so let's see what is the messages from spirit. Yeah, again I'm seeing protection, support. Look, with this apron, right? When we wear, we are protected. Like, yeah, so you're very protected, you're safe, you don't have to feel unsafe. Secure, protection, there's a lot of protection. Spirit is helping you with that. You're safe. Okay, yeah, we have this. Okay, for some of you, definitely I'm seeing you're opening a new house. Okay, and for others it's like you're opening up the inner wisdom that you have, right? The keys, you're unlocking a lot of things, you're unlocking answers, you're getting answers. Okay, so you need to let go of that things, right? The things that is not good for you, the addiction, the overthinking, you need to work on that. Okay, and of course your angels are with you, they're guiding you, they're supporting you. You're recognized. I feel like that for some of you, definitely you will have some prophetic dreams also. So take note of your dreams. That's something I'm getting here. And you're going to be respected. I feel like respect is coming your way. Security, stability, respect, that is what spirit is helping you with. Okay, maybe in the past people didn't respect you, or they took you for granted. That's not going to happen anymore. Okay, you're going to meet those people who will respect you, who will support you, right? Okay, with this moon, definitely new beginnings I'm seeing for you guys. And with this, I'm getting like, take note of your intuitive messages, write down your intuitive messages. Okay, that's the thing, that's where spirit is helping you with. Okay, yeah, we have fairies, have fun, and I'm getting your prayers are going to be answered. Look, transformation, definitely we have this Eva's rune also, and transformation, you're becoming the butterfly, you're going to move away from the ideas that doesn't support you. Maybe it's your own idea that is not supporting you. You know, sometimes we have that, we feel like that we are not worthy. You're letting go of that idea. Oh, you're becoming a strong person, people. I'm getting spirit is helping you with, yeah, freedom, definitely moving to a place where you feel very, very free. And spirit is, if you have travel plans, I feel like spirit is going to help you with that, because 8 of Cups also, it's like moving from something, and you know, you're moving away from this materialistic gain and all that corporate world, moving to a place where you feel secure, and spirit is helping you with that. And with this 8 of Cups, definitely that is also I'm getting here, like for some of you, you're moving from a place where there's a lot of money, there's a lot of comfort, and you want is peace. You're moving towards peace. You're getting that freedom. Maybe you're in a place where there is a lot of comfort for you guys, but you're not happy. So you are, for some of you, this is spiritual progress also. Okay, moving towards spirituality. That's something I'm getting here. And we have the elephant. Wow, good luck. Yeah, and you're very strong people, and if you're devotees of Ganesh is with you. Like the roadblocks, your roadblocks are gone, the road is safe now. A lot of security, that's what I'm getting. You're going to feel secure with yourself. You know, sometimes we don't feel secure. Even if we have money, we don't feel secure, right? Sometimes that happens, right? For you guys, that is what spirit is helping you with. Wherever you will be feeling secure. Okay, and you will have ask your questions and you will get answers. That is what I'm getting here, Q&A, right? So ask your questions from spirit at the correct time, you will receive the answers, because you're very connected to the divine, and spirit is helping you with that. Okay, so that's it. Group number 1, bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this card, let's see what is spirit planning for your path ahead. What is spirit helping you with? What is the guidance from spirit? So let's see. With this, we have 8 number might be very important to you guys. And with this footprints, what I'm getting is like spirit is showing you the way. So just you need to follow. That's something I'm getting. Spirit is showing you the way. Spirit is like a torch. So your intuition is guiding you. Maybe your intuition is your guiding light. Follow that. Or maybe for some of you, I even feel like there is a mentor who will guide you. Yeah, or maybe you are the teachers who will guide other people. So spirit is telling you, just go with your plans, go with your project. Or maybe you are a leader, you have a project, you are a leader, and you're going to help other people. You will be leading other people. You're leaders. So some of you have get that you're going to lead the path. Yeah, people will be following you. Maybe for some of you, you're making you're forming a community where there will be followers, where your work will be appreciated. So that's something I'm getting. And with this Barkana, you have this Barkana rune, and it's a very positive rune. For some of you, definitely I'm getting like children. For some of you, you might conceive. That's something spirit is giving you. I feel like a child. For some of you, like spirit is planning. For some of you, going to become mothers. Okay, maybe you're planning and spirit is helping you with it. So like yeah, for some of you might get pregnant. Okay, if you want to get pregnant, I feel like spirit is there for you. He's helping you. And yes, so for some of you, becoming mothers or father. Okay, so that's something. And for some of you, if you have a project, yeah, maybe a new project will come your way, and this new project will give you a lot of growth. Okay, so some new project, some new endeavors, some creative project. So nurture that project, because spirit will help you, and this project will give you a lot of success materialistically and emotionally also. I feel like you will be very good. So it's like emotionally, if you it's like you're conceiving, you're becoming a mother, and someone like it's like your child will help you grow, and you will nurture this child. For some of you, it's like you will you are such a guiding light to your children. You will be very good mothers, good fathers. Spirit is saying that. Okay, for some of you, I feel like, but definitely this is a very positive rune, and this rune is talking about like abundance, prosperity, like new growth. All you need to do is nurture. So if you have this this plan, if you have a plan, just nurture it with good ideas. Like, be positive about it, because that will grow for you guys. And Spirit is planning. So what you're planning for yourself, I feel like Spirit is planning that for you guys. If you have a new project, if you want to become very successful in that project, yes, Spirit is helping you with that. Okay, so if you want to conceive, Spirit is helping you with that. Okay, so all you need to do is to follow the path. Like Spirit is giving you the way, just follow that for some of you. And for others, it's like you are the leaders. You are here to lead. So don't be afraid. Get into this leadership position, okay? Don't be afraid of failures. Don't be afraid of failures. That's what I just listened that. Like, I got that. Yeah, higher learning. For some of you, definitely. There is higher learning happening for you guys. New project. In this new project, you will be learning a lot of new things, right? New ways. You will be getting new ways to do things. And higher learning, with this higher learning also, it can be about a mother, you know, it can be about learning about this motherhood, how to take care of a child, how to nurture a child. You're learning a lot of things. You're experiencing. You're growing, right? So that's something I'm getting. For others, it can be like you're taking a course, and you have been feeling like taking a course. You want to learn more. Yes, Spirit is helping you with that, so go with that. Okay, and for others, it's like spiritual progress is also I'm getting for some of you. But like, I'm getting like you will get a new project, a new idea. You will learn about this new thing. You will research about it, and this thing will give you a lot of success. Okay, it can be like you're writing a paper, a thesis paper or something. You will research, you will write, you will get a lot of knowledge, and you will be appreciated for it. Okay, so while doing that, you will learn a lot of things. You will be experimenting things. You will be learning a lot of things. You will be learning from your mistakes, right? So sometimes we learn a lot of things from our mistakes. So Spirit is helping you with that. So a lot of learning is going to happen. You have already learned a lot. You have, like, there is I'm even getting that you have learned a lot, and you are going to give that advice to other people, and you will be learning. You're going to learn from your experiences. Okay, so definitely, if you have a new project, if you have something in your mind, if you have a new creative idea, just work on that idea. Spirit is helping you with that. They are guiding you. Okay, and you will be learning a lot of new things. A lot of new information will come. And if you're feeling guided to take an online course, maybe you have this project, and you need more skills. Maybe you want to learn something new, go for it. Okay, go for it, learn it, because that will be very beneficial for you guys, for your further progress. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you have been feeling like reading certain books. You have been, you're like feeling like, yeah, I need to read this book, I need to learn this thing, I want to learn this. Go for it, learn it. Okay, so if you have been called to it, because this thing will give you a lot of success. It's for your further progress, as well as it will help you in the future. Okay, so that is the thing. And for some of you, you are enhancing your spiritual gifts. That is also something. Maybe for some of you, learning how to meditate, or how to do yoga. Maybe you're learning that. Keep on working on it, because that will also be very good for you guys, for your future, like for your health, for your wealth. Or maybe you're learning about prosperity, how to attain prosperity. Maybe you're reading books related to that, or whatever you're reading, whatever you're learning, keep on learning, because this will be very beneficial for you guys. Right now, maybe you will be like, why I have to learn this much, why I have to give exams. Maybe for some of you, there is exams happening. So read right now, learn right now, because this will help you for your future. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, and I see a very wonderful future for you guys, like where there will be a lot of abundance, a lot of prosperity, like money wise abundance, health wise abundance, like where you are giving a lot of, like, it's like nurturing energy I'm getting, where Spirit is giving you a lot of happiness. Like, you're giving happiness to other people, you're nurturing other people. So what you need to do right now, if you have certain plans, nurture it. Like if you're planting, like literally it can be like you want to have a big garden, so just plant all the seeds and nurture it daily. Talk nicely to them because it will grow. Be patient, guys, because it's going to grow. So whatever you want planting, it is going to grow. So be aware, because if you plant some negative things into your mind, that can also grow. So replace it with positive attitude. Okay, that is something I'm getting here. So let's see what the tarot has to add to this. Some of you, I feel like you're feeling called to do something. There is a higher purpose. You're feeling like that you need to take this project. Yeah, I'm getting like a purpose. Like for some of you are feeling it. Take that. Okay, maybe for some of you getting an opportunity, or some of you getting called to volunteer something. Just go for it. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. Or maybe for some of you, you're being called to teach kids. Do that. Okay, so something like that. Let's see. What is Spirit planning for you guys? Wow, look, we have Knight of Pentacles and a new beginning with the Fool card. So yeah, so Fool is someone who doesn't, interestingly, Knight of Pentacles is someone who is like very organized, who takes things slowly, he organizes, he writes. And Fool is someone who doesn't think too much, he just take action, he just listen to his intuition, and is very joyful. So I feel like these two qualities you need to embrace right now. I'm getting like that, for some of you, if you are over perfectionist, if you stress a lot before taking action, so maybe you need to have this joyful approach to things. Maybe you need to just take a leap of faith and go and work on it. And for others, it's like if you do things without thinking, maybe you need to organize yourself. It's like two things I'm getting here, like you need to organize yourself. So like if you're getting a project, so for some of you, it's like you get this new project and it's good, and you're thinking whether I'll be able to do it, and you're thinking about all the future things. Don't overthink about it. If you're feeling it, take it. And for others, it's like you just get on to the things without even thinking. So maybe you need to sit back, sit with yourself, get all the details, do the background check about this new project, if you will be able to handle it or not, or are you taking a lot of baggages, if there will be a lot of work or not, if you'll be able to handle it. So maybe that's something you need to take care of, I'm getting here. Okay, so yeah, Spirit will warn you. I'm getting like you will know it. So trust your intuition here. Okay, definitely. But some of you, like, you take action without thinking. Okay, so think before you act. And for others, it's like you think and you don't take action because you're so much into organization. Maybe at that time you need to take action also. It's like two different things here. Right, but definitely there is a new beginning happening for you guys. New project, definitely I can see your new project. That new project will go slow, but it will be very secure, and it will give you a lot of abundance. Okay, so if you have new project, if you're applying for a new job, and I feel like that you will get this new job, but this job will not be like very fast. Like you will not get things done very quickly. You will take it will be slow it's like a slow progress, but it will be worth it. Like this higher learning also, things you cannot learn a whole book in one day. You need to work for it, right? It will take time, like a plant. It will take time to grow. So whatever, if this new project you are getting, work on it. It will take time, but at the end it will give you the result. Okay, and whatever learning, sometimes we feel like I'm learning so much, what is the use? No, it will be useful for you guys later in life. Definitely this will be good for you guys, don't worry. Okay, sometimes we feel like that, what I'm doing, like am I wasting my time on this skill? No, you're learning something, and nothing is good for you guys. I feel like nothing is going to be wasted, and whatever you do in your life, it will help you in the future in some way. Okay, but don't get too stressed also. Like for some of you, it's like embrace this Fool energy. Sometimes you need to embrace. If you're perfectionist, for them, like if you're a perfectionist, if you overthink about your work, just let it go. Like don't overthink about it. Okay, so that's there. Okay, I'm getting that. And don't carry things from your past. Okay, past failures, there's no time for that, Spirit is saying here. Let go of that past baggages. Carry light, like past mistake. Yeah, we learn from mistakes, but you don't have to carry that with you, right? So let it go, and just don't repeat the mistake. I'm getting that. For some of you, I'm getting a relationship also. For some of you, you might be flirting with someone. I'm getting that also. But yeah, this person might flirt with you, but this person will not I'm getting someone. For some of you, yeah, this person might flirt with you, talk with you, and you will feel like, oh my god, this person is very nice, you're making a connection, but the progress of this relationship will be very slow, but it is, so be patient guys, because it will be a stable thing, okay? Go slow. For some of you, I feel you are the one who will be taking it slow, and this person is like coming, and so just listen to your intuition. Go slow. I will say that when it's a relationship, go slow. Don't do things very quickly, right? So take your time. Take your time. A lot of messages there, and look, the sun is shining. Yeah, the sun is going to shine. Look with this. The climate is going to be perfect. So when you're planting seeds, I feel like the spirit is taking care of the climate. That's I'm giving it as example. Like whatever you're doing, keep on doing, because the climate, some things are not under control. So when you're planting seeds, you are not under charge of the climate. So let divine take care of, and divine is telling you that they will take care of the climate. So what you can take care of, you take care of that. Other thing, spirit will take care of, okay? So that's the thing. The climate is in the hands of spirit, so don't worry. Your garden is going to grow into a beautiful, beautiful thing, right? So that's the thing I'm getting for you guys. So let's see. A Knight of Wands. Oh, I feel like you're going to work with a lot of people. For some of you, you're going to work with a group who are very passionate about certain thing, or maybe they have the same goal as you, like you're going to work in a team, okay? So maybe this new project, you're going to work with people will be very, very different kinds of people. So so yeah, ask for support. Like if you have a new project, you will be good at this thing, the other people will be good at this thing, right? So when a lot of people come together, something beautiful will be made, right? So I'm getting here, for some of you, are going to work with other people who are very passionate about this, who are just going to give their 100%. So if you have this new project, I feel like ask for support, because there is going to be support. Support will be given to you guys. That's something I'm getting here. A lot of new people you will be meeting, and these people will help you with your project. Or maybe you have this, you want to, or maybe for some of it's you have this passion, you want to make this project a very success, and that's going to happen, okay? For some of you, it's going to be a very passionate relationship. There will be passion, but I feel like this, for some of you, I feel like this person wants to commit to you very quickly, but you are going slow. So go slow, take your time, okay? That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, there is new energy for some of you, becoming new mothers. Take slow, go slow, okay? Don't put too much on your plate. That is also I'm getting. Let spirit take care of the rest. You just do what you can do, okay? There's a lot of passion coming your way. So maybe for some of you, if you have a hobby or something like that, you will be working on that also. For some of you, there's a lot of messages here, okay? But I'm getting very exciting energy from you guys. So there's some spirits planning something very exciting for you guys, or maybe this new project will make you excited, or this thing you're learning about, you will be very excited to do this. So the work you will be doing, you will be very excited. There's like I'm getting like a lot of peacefulness from you guys. So it's like you will be, spirit is like planning you, he's giving you like a lot of joy, happiness, okay? Like passion. That's what spirit is planning for you guys, like a lot of joy, happiness, like feeling new, yeah, not feeling stressed, enjoying life. You're going to enjoy life. Yeah, 9 of Wands energy here. So believe in yourself, keep on working, keep on learning. Yeah, okay, keep on learning, keep on believing in yourself. There might be sometimes people will tell you that this project of yours will not work, or maybe there will be someone who will be discouraging you. Don't give in to them, okay? Believe in yourself. Or if you're new mothers, there will be people who will be like, no, this is not the way we have to handle the kid, this is not the way you have to. There will be a lot of advices, okay? So stick to your own thing, do the thing you're doing. If you want guidance, you can ask for guidance. Of course there will be people who will help you, but don't take other people's advices and all, because it's not good for you guys, okay? So take care of your mental health. You don't have to prove anything to anyone, okay? You are a good mother. If you are a good father, you don't have to prove it to anyone. Okay, Spirit is saying that. Believe in yourself, trust in yourself. Yeah, we have this Wheel of Fortune. For some of you, I feel like definitely you're trying to conceive, you have been trying to conceive for so long, just a specific message, and I'm getting this new feeling is coming. So yeah, for some of you, definitely it's like getting, getting pregnant. Okay, specific message for some of you, and I'm getting like this baby steps. Yeah, for some of you it's a baby. The wheel is turning finally. Maybe for some of you have these issues, fertility issues. You have been seeing doctors, and finally things are coming for you guys. Okay, and the wheel is turning in your favor. For some of you, it can be a job. Maybe you wanted to have this project, you were waiting for this project, and finally that thing is happening for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you have been waiting to get this job, and that's happening. For some of you, this is a relationship. You always wanted a good relationship. That is happening for you guys. Okay, so new things. And in this with this Ace of Cups, I even feel like that Spirit is telling you to fill your cup first and then give it to others. So maybe there is like you might give more to other people before filling up your cup. Don't do that. I'm seeing for some of you, new place, new home, or new happy life. Okay, emotionally feeling happy, like some happy news, definitely. Okay, yeah, with this Wheel of Fortune and the Fool, look at it, we have 10 and 1 number, right? Spirit is saying yes, say yes to life, because life is going to get exciting for you guys. I'm getting, yeah. So if there was a cycle that was not moving forward, I feel like there is an end. If you were feeling unlucky, maybe you have started a project and that is not moving forward. Finally things will be okay, and things will move forward for you guys. People will come, people will help you guys. So this is a new start for you guys. Divine is helping you. Divine is yeah, definitely there is a lot of divine help happening for you guys. So go slow, organize. Yeah, things are a little slow right now. I feel like things are a little slow right now. Things will move forward for you guys. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm getting here. So let's see what else for you guys. What is Spirit planning for you guys? I'm getting Spirit is planning you're feeling happy from inside. So something is going to happen that will make you happy from inside. This can be a person who will make you laugh, right? It can be a friendship where this person will make you laugh and you will be feeling so happy from inside, right? Or maybe this is a child. When you get pregnant, you are happy from inside, right? That can be the thing. Or for some of you, you are going towards your passion. You are learning what you want, and this makes you happy. So that's the thing, okay? So sometimes things might be slow, but be patient, because the things that are slow is good for you guys right now. Go slow, because I'm getting slow and steady progress for you guys. And at the same time, like the tortoise and the hare story, right? The tortoise wins the race. So go slow, you will win the race, don't worry. Spirit is saying that. So let's say I'm getting the feeling you will be feeling very amazing. That's what I'm getting. You'll be feeling very amazing. You'll be feeling very happy. It can be a small wish fulfillment, or you're meeting people who will make you happy. You're staying with people who will give you so much of happiness. You're supported. You support, like that kind of happiness, like cracking jokes, laughing, enjoying life. For some of you, traveling also. Okay, so maybe for some of you always wanted to travel or to study abroad. That's happening. Okay, maybe there were issues. Finally, the issues are there were issues. You were very passionate about this thing, but there were issues. Finally, the issues are resolved, and you're feeling good, and you're feeling free, and you're like, yes, now this is the new start. Like that kind of energy. So if there was something stuck, if there were documents stuck, or if this project was stuck, I feel like that it's going to unstuck for you guys. Okay, and yeah, that's what I'm getting. Spirit is planning for you that. So let's see what else. Yeah, moving out of stagnation. Interesting. Look, I was talking about that. You unstick, right? And it just confirmed here. So yes, you are moving out of stagnation. So so if something was stuck, if you're feeling things are not moving forward, things are stuck, things are going to move forward for you guys. In your education, if you're trying to become a mother, if it's a project, whatever it is, if it's your passion, if it's your relationship, it was stuck, it's moving forward. You're moving forward. And yeah, for some of you, I feel like you're going to learn a lot of things from this experience, and you are going to give you will be helping other people who are going through the same things. So for some, it's just an example. You have faced a lot of fertility issues, and you will be supporting the other people who are going through that, right? You will be giving guidance, you will be sharing information with them. That kind of energy also I'm getting. And look, we have this feathers. So maybe you're seeing a lot of feathers, and spirit is saying that yes, they are with you, angels are with you, they're guiding you, and they give so that's something I'm getting here. We have 10 number again. Look, end of a cycle, new beginnings for you guys. So end of a stuck period is ending, and then like you're unstucking and things are moving forward. Like the gate was closed and you were knocking on the door, when this gate will open, spirit, and finally spirit is opening the door and you're like free to go. So that's the energy here. So let's see. This is a very specific message, okay? So for some of you, if you have been dealing with PCOS, I don't know why I'm getting that. And because of that, you will be able to balance it out, okay? Things will be okay for you guys. Something related to your like reproductive health, it will be okay, I'm getting here. Let's see what else for group number 2. What is spirit planning for you guys? We have number 3. Wow, number 3 is all about growth, expansion, community, like connection with spirit. Look, she's so happy. Finally your wish is coming true, and like, wow, I'm so happy. Finally things are moving forward. Like finally you're getting the good news and you're so happy, right? Look, we have travel here. For some of it, definitely it's like a movement, spiritual movement, like progressing in your life. Like finally the flight is taking off. Like finally you were not able to travel, you were stuck in a place. Finally you're traveling and you're moving out of that stuck situation, right? With this cactus, right? There have been problems, but you were standing strong. Be courageous, guys. Interestingly, you have 2 cats. So we have commitment to I'm getting like independence. Commit to your own independence. You're going to become very independent. Financial independence for some of you. You're psychics, I don't know, I'm getting like that also, because we have this Horus eye, and this is a very specific message. Like we have this Horus eye and this cat. I'm getting this like you can see very clearly. Okay, you can see very clearly, I'm getting here. Things will be shown to you guys. So believe your visions, okay? Believe your visions. That's something I'm getting. A lot of independence from toxic people. I'm getting like the gossip, or maybe it's an advice for you guys from spirit. Don't spend too much time with people who gossip. It's just a waste of energy. Don't do that, okay? And think before you talk. That is advice from spirit. I'm getting like a lot of independence is coming your way. You're going to do things independently. At the same time, and for some of you, it's like you're doing independently, and there will be support coming where you will be working with people, okay? And you will be able to lead people. That is something I'm getting. For others, if you don't like to work with people, maybe spirit is telling, ask for help, ask for support, because if a project is stuck there, maybe other people, with the help of other people, you can the project will move forward. Don't try to do everything by yourself, okay? That's something. Commitment to yourself is very important here, okay? Playful energy also, like listening to music. Through music you might get messages. But definitely you are also progressing. Group 1 also was a spiritual progress. I am getting for you guys also, like Horus eye we have. So definitely your third eye is activating, right? So trust your visions. And we have Z and E, okay? And T, okay? So that's the thing. So bye bye, take care, guys. Group number 3, if you have chosen this card, let's see what is your message. We have the number 4 here, so let's see what is spirit planning for you guys, what is spirit helping you with, what is spiritual guidance for you guys right now. Okay, so we have this Redo rune, and with this Redo rune, what I'm getting is like a journey for you guys. It can be a physical journey where you will be traveling. For some of you, travel is possible. If you're planning for travel, definitely that's going to happen. Okay, and for others, it's like spiritual movement. You're spiritually progressing in your life. Your perception about life is changing. You're seeing the bigger picture. Your limited view is going, you're not in this limited belief right now. You're changing your belief. There's a huge change in your belief system I'm getting here. Okay, and I'm even getting that it's not about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. So when we travel, it's not about reaching the destination, it's about the travel, enjoying, seeing the places, enjoying the journey, right? So enjoy the journey. So that's something. It's not about reaching the destination. So if you have a project, if you are in the middle of something, enjoy the journey, because you will reach the destination, but first you need to enjoy that. Okay, enjoy your journey. That's something spirit is saying. And with this 4 number, maybe you're seeing 444s, and it's all about stability, security. Maybe you're worried about your finances, so you're not enjoying the money you're receiving, right? Sometimes we have this higher goal of making this much money, and we are making money, but we are not making that much money. So what happens is, like, we are not enjoying the thing we are receiving right now, right? So enjoy that. So what you're making, enjoy it. So enjoy what are you getting, enjoy it. Okay, and here spirit is also saying that life moves in cycles, right? Like there is spring season, there is winter season, there is summer season. Every season is not going to be winter, every season is not going to be spring, like where you will be able to see growth, right? There will be sometimes when we have to step back, when we have to relax. So in life also like that happens. So it's okay. Spirit will help you with, but sometimes we have to step back. Sometimes winter comes and we have to step back, we have to relax, right? So every time it's not going to be harvest season. Sometimes we have to let go of also, right, things. So that's why, that's the thing. Okay, so every day will not be good, some days will be not so good, but it's okay, you will be able to make it. So enjoy that time also, right? So that's something spirit is saying here. There is a lot of love and peace coming your way. You're healing. I feel like you're letting go of your past, or maybe spirit is helping you with that, to let go of your past completely, to forgive people, to move forward. So yeah, that's what you're changing. Okay, so you're forgiving yourself, you're forgiving your past self. I'm getting that also. Yeah, then spirit is helping you with that. And I'm seeing communication also for you guys. Maybe you had problem communicating your feelings to others, and you're healing that, and spirit is helping you with that. So let's see what else. Your prayers are going to be fulfilled. I'm getting that. So let's see what else. What is the message for my group number 3? What is spirit planning for you guys? Wow, we got Ganesh. Wow. So obstacles, spirit is removing obstacles from your path, and there is happiness, there is abundance coming your way, and Ganesh is helping you with that. So maybe you're devotees of Ganesh, or even though you're not, I feel Ganesh is helping you. He is with you, he's guiding you, he's showing the correct path, and he's saying that, yeah, in life there will be troubles, but I am here to let go of that, the blocks, the roadblocks that are coming your way in your spirituality or in your progress. It will be removed, the obstacles will be removed. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry, keep on moving forward. I'm very attracted to this green and white color, and green is all about abundance for me, healing energy, and white is all about protection, like your angels are protecting you. So you're very, very protected, your family is very, very protected, but don't take shortcut, I'm getting. So don't be tempted to take shortcut, don't take an easy way out. Enjoy the journey, do the way, be honest with yourself. That is something that you have to focus on right now. Okay, so don't take shortcuts. I'm getting that very, very yeah, that's very strong here. Don't take shortcuts, because it's a long road. Your journey is a long journey, and obstacles will be removed. You will know you're not going to get a lot of traffic, you will be able to reach your destination. So enjoy the journey here, right? And obstacles are being removed, or spiritual support and connections are increasing. So yes, the divine connection is very, very strong for you guys. I'm feeling something in my throat chakra. So you're communicating your truth. What you want, what you desire, communicate it to the divine. Be authentic here. Be authentic. If you want money, communicate that, yes, I want money. Be honest. Yeah, sometimes we feel like that, oh, it's wrong to want money, it's wrong to have that desire. No, what you desire, be open and be proud of it. Okay, so if you desire relationship, yes, but be honest with yourself. That's something you need to be 100% honest with yourself. Okay, so yeah, yes, for 3 groups I'm seeing like the same thing, like spiritual progress for third, all the 3 groups I'm seeing that. Yeah, you're progressing, but definitely there are a lot of blessings coming your way. Divine is blessing you a lot with protection. I'm seeing like a lot of protection, spiritual support, and I'm getting good friendship also for some of you. Good friendship, good relationships, like secure things. And with this lotus, spiritual transformation, definitely it's there. And for some of you, you're stepping into your purpose. That is also I'm getting here for some of you. Yeah, and for some of you, this is a very specific message. If you want to eat sweet, sometimes eat it. Okay, don't stop yourself. Okay, sometimes we force ourselves. Maybe you're on a diet and we force ourselves. Don't force yourself. So sometimes it's okay to eat. Okay, that is a very specific message here. Let's see what else for my lovelies. Let's see. I'm getting like this orange color. So with the sacral chakra also, trust your creative ideas here. Okay, trust your creative ideas. And if you feel like that, if you start doing one thing and it is there are obstacles, that obstacles will be removed from your path. Spirit is helping you with that. Okay, let's see. Wow, we have Ace of Swords. Yeah, oh my God, with this definitely I'm getting Archangel Michael also for you guys. Maybe you believe in Archangel Michael. There is a lot of protection, divine intervention is there, and divine is protecting you. So even though things might look, if there is a situation where you feel like, oh my God, why this is happening, understand you're protected. You're protected from I don't like saying that, but evil eye or something like that also I'm getting. So you're very, very protected. You don't have to worry about all that like evil eye. If people are envious of you, don't have to think about it. Okay, because you're very protected. So that's something I'm getting here. And with this Ace of Swords, clarity, definitely clarity. Like light bulb moment will happen for you guys. So if you have some problems, you will be receiving creative solutions to that. So definitely there is a new start happening for you guys, and this start is going to be a little challenging, but it will be very good for you guys. I'm getting like you're making peace with something and you're moving forward. But sometimes we feel like challenging, our emotions might be challenging sometimes, but you will be okay because divine is taking care of everything. So a new start I'm getting. I'm getting victory also for some of you. Some sort of victories have coming your way. Spirit is helping you with that. So if you want some in some area of your life, if you want some victory, that's happening for you guys. Maybe it's like your obstacles are removed and you're feeling victorious. That is also something. But definitely divine is there for you guys. They are supporting you. A lot of clarity. Wow. Oh, we have 10 of Cups and 10 of Wands energy. It was in reverse. So I feel like that, you know what? Look, we have Ace of Pentacles. So something new is definitely coming your way. New, for some of it's new way of thinking. Okay. And 10 of Wands energy is someone who is like full on determination. They are trying very hard. They are not losing hope. They are moving forward. So yes, I feel like with this 10 of Wands, again we have 2 tens. It's a completion of a cycle, and when we have 1, it's like a beginning of new things, right? So it's an end of a chapter. Something new is coming. So here you are with this 10 of Wands. You're trying hard, you're working on something, you have this determination, you're just keeping on moving forward, you're persevering, you're just knocking on the door. Yes, I want to do this, I'm gonna do it. And you're moving this, and I feel like Spirit has seen that you have been so hard working. Spirit is seeing that you have been working for your security, your stability, whatever you have been giving your 100%, and Spirit is seeing that for you guys, isn't it? So where your hard work is paying off. That's what I'm getting. Spirit is helping you with that. So finally you're seeing the victory. Finally you're getting that victory. So yeah, so this is the thing, 10 of Wands energy, where Yeah, I'm getting that like 10 of wands energy, where you are being hardworking, you're giving your best, and things are not happening. Even though things are not happening, you're like, I will do my best, I will not lose hope. And spirit is seeing that. Spirit is like, yes, they have been working hard, they have been patient, they have been giving their best. Now it's time for the reward. That's what I'm getting with like that, Ace of Swords, like new beginning. Like finally, what you want, if you have been working hard on something, you're receiving that, and the obstacles are removed, and finally you're having like a lot of good family time. You're able to provide for your family. Financially, you're able to provide to your family. Emotionally, you're able to provide to your family. So whatever you're working hard on, that is paying off. That is the message for you guys. So there is definitely change happening for you guys. Spiritual, maybe for some of you, you have been tested, your commitment has been tested a lot. Finally, now it's the time for reward. I'm getting that also. So that definitely, with this 4 number also, like, yeah, I feel like with this temptation, like you didn't take any shortcuts also. For some of you, yeah, there were times when you had this shortcut, you could have taken the shortcut, but you didn't take. You were authentic to yourself, and spirit has seen that commitment. And now you've been rewarded. Okay, this is like little different with money wise also. I'm getting there is rewards. You have been disappointed, but finally I feel like that money wise you're getting that increase. Finally there is a new start, there is victory. In your family life, if there were problems, you were trying so hard to resolve all the problems, finally things are things are resolving. Yeah, finally with this wheel of year, I'm getting like where there are different cycles. Now you are in the cycle where you will be harvesting things. The energy you have, sometimes we give a lot of things, like give energy. Maybe you have given a lot of energy to a relationship and you were not getting it back. Finally now it's time to get back. Maybe a job you were giving 100%, maybe a project you were giving 100%. Now finally you're getting that reward, you're finally getting that victory. Okay, so let's see. And happiness, you are going to celebrate it with your family, right? So yeah, 6 of Cups, you have been putting that effort. Yeah, strength, you're very courageous, you have been putting that effort, you have been working, like you have been very confident. Even though things were not going the way you wanted, you didn't lose hope, and you went on, and finally you're seeing that. So something from past, so your past efforts are being rewarded, and spirit is planning. Yeah, that's what is coming for you guys. So your the hard work that you have been doing, you have been confident, you have been taming that inner demons, right? Sometimes our inner says, what are you doing, why are you not sometimes our inner fear says, what are you doing, this is not working, why are you keep on moving forward with this plan, it's not working. But you were like, no, I will not give up, I know this will happen. And yes, finally that is being rewarded for you guys. Finally your past efforts are rewarded. Finally you spirit is seeing your commitment, and finally it's going to be rewarded. Okay, so it can be in relationship, it can be maybe for some of you were holding on to this person, and you didn't give up on this person. Finally that person is seeing your worth, and finally you're coming together. That's something I'm getting here. For some of you, it's like your work, you were trying, you did your best, you gave your best, and you're getting the victory. Oh yeah, so definitely there is progress for you guys. Yeah, and you're very courageous. You have gained a lot of strength through this journey. It was not an easy journey, but you're making it. Wow. So yeah, rewards are coming. That's what is spirit planning for you guys. So don't lose hope now. So let's see. Yeah. Oh, the further gate, bold step forward. So yeah, with this look, with this bold step forward, you have been very bold. Like, yeah, you have been even when things were not working for you guys, you stood there, you took action. Maybe for some of you you have taken a bold step recently, right? Maybe it's like your project is not working, but you stood there. It was a bold step from your part, and that is going to be rewarded for you guys. Okay, maybe for some of you it can be like stepping out of your comfort zone. You have done that, and it's going to be rewarded. Yeah, the gates of one gate is open now, the next gate is also going to be open for you guys, and your like obstacles are removed. That's the thing. The problems are going to be resolved, and yeah, things are changing for you guys. Yeah, I feel like you have gone through a lot of testing. Spirit has tested you a lot, but you haven't given up. You have been staying strong. Wow. It's not easy, I know, but you have been doing your best. And now it's time for rewards. Yeah. Wow, look, we have limitless possibilities. And look at the colors here. Blue color, both of, like, yeah. So, yeah, like, I'm getting the communication area. There will be like a lot of surprises coming, a lot of communication coming. So yeah, maybe you will receive some information that will make you very happy, or receive an opportunity that will make you happy. Like limitless possibilities. There are so many stars in the sky. We cannot count, right? That many opportunities you have in your life, and you are going to see that. Okay, and look, movement towards adventure. So for some of you, this is like maybe you have been trying to get a job, you have been working hard, and finally you're receiving that job. Maybe for some of you, you have been given a, you've been trying your best to pass an exam, finally you're passing that exam, right? For some of you, you had a lot of problems in your relationship, finally you're resolving it, and now this is a new start for you guys. So yes, so maybe, so it's like, for some of you, you're building up a community also. You wanted to build a community, that is happening. Like maybe on your social media page, you were trying, finally that's happening. Like you're moving forward, and interestingly, we have 50, 51 and 55. Wow, look the numbers, yeah, 50, 51 and 55. So movement, progression, development, progress. That's what I'm seeing for you. That is what Spirit is planning for you. You're going to progress. If you're feeling like I have been doing, for example, like you have been in your studies, you have been giving your 100%, even though you might have failed in the exam, but then too you didn't lose hope. You're trying and trying and trying. Finally, Spirit is like, yes, I have seen your commitment. I have seen your dedication. I have seen that you have been so self-disciplined, and now Spirit is like, opening the doors for you guys, and finally you're getting the rewards. So this, if you're resonating, this is for the ones who have been working hard. Okay, it's not something that you're getting of nowhere without any hard work. No, without any hard work, you're not going to receive anything. It's like you have done the work, you have been working on it. For some of you, it's like your childhood dream is coming true. You have been working towards that childhood dream of yours. Maybe it's a project that you took, and it was very heavy on your, it was full of responsibilities, but you did it, you went on moving, and finally you're receiving that. For some of you have been trying to increase your finances, and there were roadblocks. Maybe your business, you have that faith, you were faithful, you were praying, and yes, things are moving forward for you guys. That's what Spirit is planning for you guys. Okay, so let's see. So for some of you, with the stars in the sky, it's like sometimes we wish upon stars, right? So yeah, your wish is coming true. So that's what Spirit is planning. Group number 3. Let's see what your charms have to add to this. What is Spirit planning for group number 3? Okay, we have E and S, we have J, we have D. You are protected from 4 sides. Okay, so the people who are, if there are people who are, I told you, like, you're very protected. If there are people who are like sending you harm or anything, you're very protected. Psychic protection I'm getting for you guys. Very, 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 very protected. And we have like, yeah, we have love, like spiritual love, a lot of spiritual love. Yeah, spiritual support is there for you guys. And we have this snake, right? So yes, you're shedding, you're becoming, you have like, this is a new life for you guys. You have done a lot of work, now you're shedding the skin. It's a new cycle for you guys. Or I'm getting this, you're safe from the snakes. Okay, so if someone is jealous or envious, you're safe, you're very safe. That's something I'm getting here. Very protected. Your finances are protected, your life, your relationship, you're very protected. Okay, very, 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 you're protected by your ancestors. That's what I'm getting. And you're building your blocks, I'm getting here. Okay, relationship wise, spiritual, it can be financial, you're building up. Yeah, and with this, let go of things that are not serving you, and you're going to do that. Yeah, let go of people, let go of the things I'm getting you're letting go of roadblocks. Yeah, your road is going to be very clear. And we have O also. No, this is Q. TQ. Okay. So we have camera. Oh wow, with this camera, you're going to see very clearly. When we click a photo, at that time we might not see things very clearly. When we see the pictures, we see things very clearly. So I feel like you're going to see things very clearly. And yeah, that's what I'm getting. You're going to see things very clearly from a different perspective, right? Your perception about things are going to change a lot. And we have a cat. We got this for group number 2 also. So yeah, it's about cats are very independent, isn't it? So that's what I'm getting. You're gaining that power. You're going to be in your power. You're going to be independent. And then we have this fairy, and fairies are with you. They are guiding you. They're telling you to be more playful. So yeah, and understand life is full of cycles. There will be days when things will not move the way we want, but there will be days when things will move forward the way we want. Okay, so appreciate that. Love the journey. Now you will reach your destination, but enjoy the journey. When you enjoy, you will feel very happy. So don't say things like, oh my god, why this is so not happening. Don't get into that energy. That is the advice here for you guys. Instead focus on the positive things in your life. Be grateful for all the things. Okay, that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.